So here is a broken glove compartment. Latch is gone. Upper part is okay. But this is broken. The latch has come right off. Now it's about £100 or something, even more, maybe 150 for a new lower part glove compartment for here. So we're not going to pay that. But we have fixed it. How did we fix it? Here we go. There's double-sided tape. It's good stuff. And we have put two really strong magnets inside, the kind that you find inside mobile phone holder attachments. The round one, if you open up, there's four tiny little magnets inside. So you put your sticky, double-sided sticky onto the where it's going to meet the other side, and you put your sticker magnets on. And then get your other two magnets, line them up. The easy way to do that is to put those two magnets onto here, right? And then put the double-sided tape onto it, and then close the lid so it lines up exactly. And they're strong enough. Look, they'll hold it for ages. I tried another little metal strip here before, the magnetic strip, but that didn't work. It's not got enough strength. You see, I tried it on there. It's not holding it, but maybe it's still giving it a little bit of help, so I'm going to leave it. But those four strong magnets, literally a couple of pounds, that's all they cost. They will hold this glove compartment closed, and I think that's a fix. Tell me what you think in the comments below.